Hello everybody, Happy New Year. Sorry it's been so long. I've been just taking some time off. A lot of people email me and tell me I should relax a little bit. So these last couple of weeks, that's what I did. I just took some time off, relaxed. I did start a lot of projects, which you're gonna see here. It's been really cold out. When I was driving home today, it was -8. It's been a little stifling. That's why I'm here in the kitchen. One of my New Year's resolutions is to start a small business in the way of making tables. And I talked a little bit about it on the podcast. And this is my first table I made. This is a white oak table. The legs I buy online. There's lots of places to buy. I did make a set of legs many years ago, and I will make a table in this upcoming season with those legs, but that table I'm gonna keep. This is white oak from a local sawmill, and this video is just about wrap. Look for more farmhouse tables. That's really specifically what I wanna try and do. It's just kind of this farmhouse style table. Another project I started this last couple of weeks is a library desk. It's gonna look like it's a pile of books all lined up on a library shelf. And this is gonna be done fairly soon. We're working up the colors. We're going back and forth on some of the color concepts. There'll be some details on the book bindings themselves. So this is a fun project. This will also be an upcoming video as well. Still working on the Bowie knife. There is some interesting things I learned while working on the Bowie knife. How to put in the fuller blood groove. I call it the blood groove. Everyone got really mad at me. But whatever you want to call it, the fuller. I'm learning every time I make a knife, I learn something new. And this one is absolutely probably the most I've learned on making a knife, because I did a lot of blacksmithing and then some complicated grinds. Complicated for me. I see some incredibly beautiful knives out there, and I can't imagine how they're made. I'm learning. That's why I do this from time to time. I'm a little insecure about making knives. A couple weeks ago I made this video for Rockler where I made this Bluetooth speaker enclosure. As of now it's not released, that's why there's no link in the description, but keep an eye on the Rockler channel for this video is coming out this week for the Bluetooth speaker enclosure. I also started a wooden print plate this week. This was a lot of fun. I started carving this one. You could see right there, there's a major problem with this one. It reads right. So I had to start all over again. And then when I posted this picture on Instagram, everybody pointed out that I spelled 2 words wrong. So I'm gonna make 100 prints in the misspelled plate, and then I'm gonna bandsaw out and rearrange the letters and correct them. And then I will make the rest of the prints. So the first 100 are gonna be the misspelled plate. So look forward to that. I'm really excited to use this plate on the new printing press. It's gonna go on my 11 by 15 Chandler. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try this out. Look at that. This is all hand carved through a template. I've been making a lot of ice picks, and this is my left-handed one, which is currently on eBay for the next 2 days. So if you want to bid on the only left-handed ice pick in the whole world, go to eBay, the link's below, you got 1 more day. Lately, for a little extra money, I've been putting weird stuff on eBay. Most of the time, I've been putting up the picks that I use. You notice I do all kinds of weird things to the picks that I carry on a typical basis. That's me just trying out different textures and stuff like that. In a couple of weeks, I'll put this particular ice pick on eBay. Always just experimenting. Experimental ones go for sale, along with some other stuff. So check my eBay shop out. Every now and again, I put up some weird stuff. A couple of weeks ago, I talked about my old beat up Double H boots, and Double H was watching my Instagram. And they sent me a brand new pair, so thank you very much. You never know who's watching. Levi, thank you for the bandana, brother. And Russell sent me dog tags to use in my dog tag machine, and so did Rody Jeff. Visited me recently. Rody Jeff, thank you for the dog tags. Russell, thank you for the dog tags. My buddy Andy Glass sent me this screw gun charging station. It's a great little DIY kit. He sells the kit, he sells also the plans, and also just the files alone. So if you want to CNC it yourself or make it from scratch yourself, it's up to you. Check out his website, link below. I get a lot of machines offered to me, and for that I'm very grateful. A lot of them I have to pass on. This particular Bridgeport is in Charleston, South Carolina. It is at a makerspace called Reforged, the makerspace down there. If you're interested, there's an email in the link below. If you would like to purchase this Bridgeport, all the proceeds are going to go to the makerspace. It's not a person selling it. It's a makerspace. They're trying to raise some money, and this looks like it's a very good machine. Email below. Raina, thank you for supplying the music. So Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you. I had such a wonderful 2017. I hit so many milestones.
Turned 50, 30 years sober, million on YouTube, NBC, This Old House.
Just to name a few, and there was so many other small personal achievements. I just want to thank everybody for the love and support over the last 1 year, 2018. Hopefully, if it's half as good as 2017, I will be very happy. Oh, I also started the building. Check out Kyle's series on the building. He published his last video on that today. So link in the description below. Thank you, everybody. Love and respect. See you in 2018.